And hello to my YouTubers. I have here a I keep saying, why do I keep saying Panasonic? It's bleeding there in front of me. LG. Anyway, I've got a 50-inch plasma problem. This guy. 22 ohms, 5 watt I believe, is it 5 watt? Yeah, 5 watt resistor. It's dead and clicking. Took it out the power supply, gone. There's another one next to it, that's fine. But I'm going to replace that one as well. I've got a Bush. You have to be with me, I'm full of flu again. A Bush 52 inch LCD, and it's completely dead. I'm getting power in the primary side. There's not much happening on the outputs. So what I've done, I went and ordered capacitors for it, and then we'll take it from there. Yeah. Also, someone's put me this to have a look. It's a crappy emachine type, whatever you want to call it, computer. They're all good. Well, they are good, actually. Yeah, they are good. Little machine. It's got 2 gig of RAM in it. 4 gig of RAM in it. Sorry. Yeah, it's full of dust inside. It needs a good clean. I just took the side panel off and look. As you can see in there, if I can get in there. Yeah. Anyway, that's that to have a look at. This is the Bush LCD. Yeah, I say it's not coming on. I might have a look at these on here as well. Check these out. See, it comes on in the power supply, but there's no outputs. Anyway, there's nothing, it's totally dead. So, this is that LG power board. That's where the resistor went there. That's the other resistor. That's okay. I'm going to change it anyway. Well, the caps are fine. Been testing them. There has been a lot of dry joints. Can't see it. A lot of dry joints on here. There's still a bit of work to be done. There's odd ones knocking about. So I've got to get on with that. But I've checked sorry again, I've checked the Zenas, all the transistors and that, what's on there. It seems to be fine, no shorts. Yeah. I thought I had one in my spare box. It's only 10 ounce. So I got it for them to come. I thought I ordered about 5 or so. That's it. That's what I'm doing. Well, not much at the moment because my head's just pounding. What is this model? The Bush. Meet up to that. Ugh. Very hard to see how we. Oh, I'll put it in the link. Messing around that thing. I ain't got the energy. Right, well, happy landings to everybody. Here in sunny Nottingham. There we go. We have the famous Goose Fair, which has been going since 1765. Sorry, 1865. It's all fun fair rides, stores and all the popcorn, toffee apples and hot dogs and burgers and you name it, it's there. In fact, I've been reading this year there's going to be Chinese, West Indian, Indian, and there's all different types of food. But anyway, yes, it's a travelling fair. It's not just one firm. There's about 6 or 8 different families, and they bring all the rides what they own. And there's a lot of them. I reckon there's 300 rides. It's a massive event. I'll try and get a bit of footage, and you can have a look. But anyway, back to this. So I'm gonna check this guy around here. Just got to cover. Check these caps. Make sure they're okay. Like I say, the Powerball sits in there, as you can see, because there's the mains. Right, okay. I'm gonna shoot off and wait for these parts for this to arrive, and then catch up with you later. Thank you.